In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front bumper bracket on this Toyota Camry. It sits right here behind your front bumper to clip it onto the fender. Let's get started. On the side, you'll see a clip that looks like this. You basically have to turn it 90 degrees, just like that. That should unlock it so that you can pop it out just a little bit, not all the way, and that will allow you to pop the bumper cover out of here. If you don't unlock it, it could break, so keep that in mind. With that loose, you'll see a little Phillips head push clip here. So with a small screwdriver, try to unthread it. If it doesn't want to unthread, you're going to need something to help pry it out as you unthread. This is most of the time too small for a trim tool, so I can try to use this, but the head of it is pretty much going to slide right through. But if you can get it unthreaded just a few turns, you should be able to pop the rest of it out. Sometimes spraying a little bit of rust penetrant in there can help, and then work it in and out. Try not to break this unless you are planning on replacing it. There we go. That's much better. You don't have to remove the center all the way out, but if you get it most of the way out, this should pop right out. Perfect. And now you'll be able to take this bumper cover and pry it outwards. It's just held on with some clips up here. There we go. That popped out. Now to replace this bracket, pull the bumper down just like this, and with a 10mm socket, remove this bolt that holds it onto the headlight. Take this out, and then you swing it out like this. It's just clipped in on the back with a clip. There we go. And you would take your bumper bracket and line it up, press it on to the rear with the clip, and then thread on the bolt in the front, snug it up. Make sure you don't over tighten it so you don't break it. Now you can clip your bumper right back on. On each side, you'll see that the bumper needs to connect into that plastic bracket up there. Tap it in. Also make sure the fender liner is behind the bumper cover, which it is not, so I'm going to have to tuck it. Just like that. Up here we had a push clip, small one. Down here we had this clamp style retainer. Press that bumper cover into it, press this in, and turn it 90 degrees to lock it. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.